Welcome to this presentation on models of communication networks in the context of parallel and distributed computing. Today, we will explore how processors are interconnected and how these connections impact system performance. Use of communication network models in PDC. Describe how processors are interconnected. Help analyze communication delay and bandwidth. Identify scalability limits and bottlenecks. Assist in designing efficient parallel architectures. Enable better mapping of parallel algorithms to hardware. Types of communication network models in PDC. Communication network models in PDC are classified into 1. Static, direct, network models. 2. Dynamic, indirect, network models. This classification is based on whether communication links are fixed or switch-based. Static, direct, communication network models. Physical links between processors are fixed. Each processor is directly connected to neighboring processors. Communication paths do not change dynamically. Examples: linear array, ring, mesh and torus, hypercube. Linear array and ring network models. Linear array. Processors connected in a straight line. Simple structure but large communication delay. Ring network. Processors connected in circular fashion. Uniform connectivity but failure affects entire ring. This slide provides a visual comparison of the linear array and ring network topologies, illustrating the direct connections between neighboring processing nodes. Mesh and torus network models. Mesh network. Processors arranged in a 2D grid. Each node connects to its immediate neighbors. Torus network. Mesh with wraparound connections. Reduced diameter and improved communication performance. Here you can see the difference between the standard grid of a mesh and the wraparound links that define a torus network. Hypercube network model. Nodes arranged as vertices of a d-dimensional cube. Total number of nodes is equal to 2D. Each node has d-direct connections. Network diameter is equal to log P. Advantages: high scalability, low communication latency. Dynamic, indirect, communication network models. Processors are connected using switching elements. Communication paths are established dynamically. More flexible compared to static networks. Examples: bus-based networks, crossbar networks, multistage interconnection networks. Bus and crossbar network models. Bus-based network. All processors share a single communication bus. Simple design but poor scalability. Performance degrades rapidly as the number of processors increases due to bus contention. Crossbar network. Dedicated path between any input-output pair. Very fast communication but high hardware cost, OP superscript 2. Supports simultaneous multiple communications between different processor pairs. This slide illustrates the structural difference between the shared resource of a bus network and the complex, dedicated matrix of a crossbar network. Multistage interconnection networks, MINs, consist of multiple stages of small switches. Provide a balance between cost and performance. Example: Omega network. Trade-off: lower cost than crossbar with slightly higher latency. Communication network models define processor interconnections. Static networks use fixed links. Dynamic networks use switches for flexible paths. Choice of network affects performance and scalability in PDC. Thank you.